How to turn on dark mode on Reddit Mobile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Reddit. And once you do that, click on the avatar at the top right. And in order for you to turn on the dark mode and enable it, you just need to click on the moon icon or the dark mode icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, which is kind of shortcut that will allow you to just switch back and forth between dark mode and light mode. However, if you want more customization to the dark mode, you need to click on settings at the bottom, and here scroll down to the dark mode section, and here you will be able to customize the dark mode even more, starting with the auto dark mode feature, which you can choose from to follow the phone settings. So if your phone is set to light mode, it will be light mode on Reddit, and if your phone is set to dark mode, it will be dark mode on Reddit. The second option is to set it from sunrise to sunset, which will enable the dark mode automatically at night. Here, this option, the second one, you will be able to turn on the dark mode on and off, as you can see, switch back and forth. And the last option that says dark mode, it has the drop down next to it. Click on it. You will be able to change the dark mode theme, as you can see. So you have two themes that you can choose from. One of them is gray, kind of gray, and the other one is black. So yeah, it's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can enable and turn on the dark mode on Reddit. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.